Hey team, welcome to channel where you can find the latest USRP and Ripple news and stories. And we're gonna talk about 5 interesting topics today that are sure to catch your attention. First, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts. XRP has seen an amazing price rise past 55 cents, and today there is a lot going on around it. Fueled by intriguing whale movements, including a massive sell-off of 47 million tokens. People in the cryptocurrency community are buzzing with ideas about what might have caused the price to jump and what it means for the future of XRP. At the same time, the Bank of England's announcement of a new core settlement engine is making waves. This could make it easier for Ripple to play an even bigger role in changing the way global finance works. This change should make cross-border transactions more efficient, which is something Ripple is very good at. The fact that WRPA's trading volume went up and hit 1.6 billion shows that more people are interested in the token, and the latest financial innovations and the mysterious Wells market moves are likely to blame for the rise. But as XRP goes through a big volume squeeze, there is a chance that demand will rise. So Wasters and XRP fans are both closely watching to see what happens and what it means for the future of XRP and Ripple's goals in the financial world. Stay tuned as we look into these changes and talk about how they affect the wider financial world and how quickly cryptocurrency changes. Without further ado, to the news for today. Today, an interesting event happened. Volvera, a blockchain tracking platform, reported that 2 huge whale transactions moved a total of almost 47 million XRP to exchanges. This caused a lot of speculation in the crypto community. In a normal market reaction, big sell-offs cause prices to drop, but the XRP price took a turn that no one saw coming. Rising above the 55-cent mark, this doesn't happen very often with XRP or most other coins. The community is really excited about this, especially since there have been big whale dumps, and the derivatives market suggests that XRP is going to go up in value, which makes people even more optimistic about the token. Our attention is being paid to XWhale because it has not only kept going up during the whale sell-off, even sped up its rally, going against what most people think will happen. And this has made a lot of people optimistic about the market, and well-known analysts like Cryptos have backed up this view by boldly calling XRP to north on the social media platform X. When you look more closely, Whale reports of whale activities and be traced back to an unknown wallet that was seen making similar big moves to exchange Bitstamp and Bitso. When you think about Ripple's strategic investments in these platforms, this pattern of transfers becomes even more interesting. This suggests that there is a layer of strategy behind the transaction. Colin Goss also pointed out that the rise in XRP's open interest shows not only a price increase, but also a flood of new investments into the market, and showing that people are becoming more confident and are interested in XRP's future. The price of XRP has gone up 5.6 in the last 24 hours. And is now a very impressive 55 cents. The sleep beyond the 55 cents level has not only caught the attention of the crypto world, but it has also led to important conversations among investors and analysts. Many of them are now changing their predictions because of XRP's strong and positive performance. The crypto community is closely watching the space, waiting for the next move in this constantly changing market. This is because both RP's volume and market cap have seen big gains. The Bank of England has been looking into what Ripple's interledger protocol can do. This is a big step forward that could change the way global payments are made. This research is part of their larger effort to come up with new ideas and make things run more smoothly. That's fast and reliably cross-border payments work. The real-time gross settlement system run by the Bank of England is changing to keep up with the changing needs of the financial industry. This system is at the heart of the UK's payment infrastructure. This includes making payment systems around the world more reliable, easier to use, and better able to talk to each other. Focusing on putting the ISO 2020 messaging standard into place to make global transactions run more smoothly and openly. It has been found that Ripple's technology, especially its interledger protocol, could make it possible for different ledgers and payment systems to settle at the same time. The goal of this protocol is to connect different financial networks without any problem. This makes it possible for global transactions to be faster and cheaper. The Bank of England's study of Ripple's solution and how well it works with simulated RTGS systems is a big sign that blockchain technology has the potential to change the way money is settled. This move shows that the bank is serious about using new technologies. It also shows how influential Ripple is becoming and how its solutions can be used in real-life financial operations. Ripple is also a leader in providing blockchain-based solutions to banking and financial sectors since it recently launched its CBDC platform. Based on the XRP ledger technology, this platform is meant to help central banks launch their digital currencies more quickly and cheaply. Telling how flexible and useful Ripple's technology is in terms of the user case and the reason for being. This is pretty much what I talked about yesterday. As a fully decentralized solution, Bitcoin clearly has its own path that it is meant to take. The public likes it because it was the first to market and can be used. However, based on what Brad wants to do, as of now, it looks like SRP is moving towards becoming a global payment solution. This means that all central bank digital currencies, the XRP platform, and the software that runs it will all go through Ripple and use the XRP platform. And yesterday, someone wrote something about technical analysis and the value that Ripple offers, among other things. Technical analysis is a very good way to figure out how prices will move or act in the cryptocurrency space. In reality, value and price are not the same thing. Price is based on how quickly or easily someone wants to pay for something. And assets or XRP's value is based on its brand and value of the brand. XRP and Ripple would go through the roof if Brad could break into the world of CBDCs and make Ripple the main platform for utilizing CBDCs around the world. Again, I have my negative views on CBDCs, but from a brand equity point of view, it would be incredible. Since 131 of the world's 189 countries have already made plans for CBDCs, if most of them use Ripple as the platform for developers and XRP as the way to settle transactions, then the Ripple and XRP brands will be seen as more valuable. Price is a great deal. Is the value and capitalization going to be the same as Bitcoin? And there's still no word on that. But from what we can see now, there is a huge push, a very strong plan, and a very strong leadership team to get us there. Now, let's talk about the Bank of England. And according to CBDC News, the Bank of England is looking into and testing Ripple's technology. This is part of a growing trend among central banks to look into blockchain solutions that can help improve payment and settlement processes. As the financial world changes, the successful integration of these technologies could lead to a new era of faster, safer, and cheaper cross-border payments that are good for both businesses and consumers. Largely, they all agree that XRP is the most important thing in this area, putting it ahead of Bitcoin and making it the clear winner. There's no doubt that Bitcoin has its own worth and a brand. Now what's happening at the Bank of England, along with Ripple's legal wins and progress in technology, points to a bright future for blockchain applications in financial services. This is a big step towards these technologies being used more widely in the world's financial system. For those of you who were with me yesterday and mostly read my detailed forecast and technical analysis, you would have seen where I stand from the very beginning. That is my hope that we would fall to the bottom of the wedge and test that support level again before maybe. I didn't think we'd drop so quickly, but we have now reached the bottom of the support level shown here.